are not only a treasure of China, but are loved around the world. The furry black and white animals have played an important role in the country's diplomacy, known as panda diplomacy. In the early 1980s, pandas are loaned to other countries. In general, they are to be returned to China after 10 years. Actually, pandas are quite picky. They just love to eat fresh bamboo shoots.
Everyone, let's speak English at any time and anywhere. Here is Wishu Monastery. It's located at the foot of Paishan Mountain. It's one of the largest Buddhist shrines in the East. After entering the gate, I was greeted by the music of tranquility. Peaceful music is agreeing in the air. And that makes me immediately forget any troubles in life. Every day, tourists come from all parts of the country to see it. Most of them have believed. Manjusri is in charge of wisdom, so people often come here to pray for the children.
Refers to several East Asian varieties of stew, consisting of a simmering metal pot of stock at the center of the dining table. While the pot is kept simmering, ingredients are placed into the pot and side dish are cooked. Typical hot pot dishes include sliced meat, leaf vegetables, mushrooms, wontons, egg dumplings, and seafood. Vegetables, fish, and meat should be fresh. In many areas, hot pot meals are often eaten in the winter during supper time. Chinese hot pot has a long history. It originated in the north where the main ingredient was beef, mutton, or horse. It then spread to southern China during the Tang dynasty, and developed with different ingredients such as seafood. One of the most famous variations is the Chongqing hot pot. It lies the difference in the meats used, the type of soup base, and the sauces and condiments used to flavor the meat. Instant boiled mutton could be represented in the northern style.
Having slept for thousands of years, it astonishes the world with its awakening. Hey, friends! Today, I'm going to introduce you to a super mysterious and cool place, Sanxing Dui Museum. Just imagine, you walk into a time tunnel and suddenly travel back to the ancient Shu Kingdom thousands of years ago. There, you will see a bunch of strange and highly individual cultural relics, as if they came from outer space. For example, those bronze masks have super exaggerated looks, with big eyes, as if they are saying to you, "Hey, look at me. Am I cool or not?" And that bronze sacred tree is so tall that it seems to be trying to break through the ceiling, just like the ancient Shu people wanted to send it to the sky to chat with the gods. There are so many treasures in Sanxing Dui Museum, and each one will amaze you. This place is like a mysterious treasure trove, waiting for you to discover the surprises inside. Moreover, you can not only learn historical knowledge, but also feel how big the imagination of the ancient Shu people was. Their creativity is simply invincible. So, come to Sanxing Dui Museum quickly, and it will definitely broaden your horizons, and make you have so much fun that you don't want to go back home.
The origin of Sichuan opera can trace back to the Tang Dynasty, when it gained its reputation, the highest form of opera. Nowadays, in opera gardens or tea houses across the town, audiences wanting a glimpse of the local culture love to drink tea while listening to Sichuan opera and watching face changing. Face changing is an indispensable aspect of Sichuan opera, where vividly colored masks are changed within the blink of an eye, which made the audiences impressed every time. It's believed that face changing has its roots in evolution. Early humans needed survival strategies to ward off predators and invaders. Often, aggressive facial gestures and nonverbal cues were part of it. Face-changing techniques generally fall into three categories: vapping, pulling, blowing. Among them, pulling is the more complex and frequently used one. Astonishingly, no matter how close you are to the stage, you can't tell how the mask changed within a flash. For this, the actors must possess great skills. Face-changing techniques are closely guarded secret, handed down from generation to generation of performers. In addition to face-changing, fire spitting, all-around rolling, and other unique skills, which makes you impressed at the first sight. Sichuan opera also features touching stories, mild melody, flexible skills, and exquisite costumes.